Are you having trouble putting your socks and shoes on because of stiffness in your hip? Are you now having trouble walking or standing for any length of time because of pain in your hip? Has it gotten to the point that you're having trouble sleeping and couldn't find a comfortable position to sleep? If you are, then I have a special event that I would like to invite you to. It's the brand new free hip pain workshop that I'm hosting here at Orthopedic and Balance Therapy. Hi, I'm Dr. Arlen Alburo, and here's what you will learn during the free hip pain workshop. Number one, we will discuss the 5 most common causes of hip pain, including the 5 possible sources of your hip pain and what to do about it without having to rely on medications, injections, or surgery. Number 2, we'll discuss the 3 most common approaches people take when it comes to their hip pain. One of those approaches stops them from healing and in fact does them more harm than good. Number 3, we will discuss 2 most powerful techniques you can do on your own as soon as you get done with the workshop that helps you accelerate healing and get you to the point of getting back to the things that you love to do. So I enjoin you to click the sign up button below, input your information, and save a spot for the upcoming hip pain workshop. Looking forward to seeing you at the workshop. I'll see you then.